Question is, I take a lot of time doing wudu, and I get confused because I keep on making some mistakes, and I think to myself, oh, this is a mistake, this invalidates the wudu. So I wanted to ask, what are some things that can invalidate the wudu in a nutshell, so that I will compare what I think and what is the truth.
Okay, wudu has 6 pillars. And if you miss these 6 pillars, one of them, your wudu is invalid. So these 6 pillars are to wash your face, to wash your arms till the elbows, to wipe over your head and ears, to wash your feet to the ankles, including the ankles, to have this in that particular order, the face, arms, head, and feet, and to be back to back simultaneously without leaving a gap. Plus, not to make anything that invalidates wudu, such as passing wind, sleeping, eating camel's meat, etc. Other than that, such a mistake you may have done, it can be rectified on the spot. Usually, such a mistake would be after I washed my arms and while I was doing my wiping my head, I noticed that this area was not washed. Oh, this is a mistake. I have to redo the wudu again? No, you don't. You just simply wash that area and continue afterwards. That is, wipe your head and ears and wash your feet. So you have to learn the sequence of the wudu, and that would solve your problem, insha'Allah azza wa jal.